Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up custom fields in QuickBooks Enterprise. Now, you can go ahead and first launch your QuickBooks Enterprise, and here on the dashboard, you'll see customers, vendors, employees. I'll even show you for items. So for customers, you click on customers, you click on Customer Center, and then here you can click on New Customer and Job. Okay, you can add a new customer. That's how you can add a custom customer from there. Okay, and for employees, you come here, click on employees, employee center. Same way, vendors, you click vendors, vendor center. For items, you click here on lists. Okay, and then I want you to go ahead and click on item list, and from here you'll see item right here. Okay, click on this drop down, click on new, and now you're basically creating a new item. You choose what type it is. It can be any type. Okay, let's say inventory part. You just fill in the details. Then you can save it. You can come here to custom fields as well and define your fields. Okay, so you can define them and go ahead and create. So come here, click on define fields. You can add your label, use what kind of data it is, and choose. Okay, you'll set those up. Really that easy. So if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.